Present here. Today I, Ashit, are going to speak on the topic physical fitness and exercise in our daily lives.
What is physical activity? Physical activity gives us, strengthens our muscles and makes us fit. Physical, uh, physical fitness, it measures a person's ability in physical activities like endurance and agility.
Physical activity is something you do. Physical fitness is something one can achieve, a characteristic or an attribute one can achieve by being physically active. Exercise. Yes, sir. Yeah. Exercise is a structure that tends to have physical fitness as its goal. Now, I know that everyone thinks over here is that sports and exercise are the same. But do you know there is a difference between them?
Exercise. It is a physical activity done by a person to makes his body fit and keeps it healthy.
Sports, it is competitive, institutionalized and complex. And these very characteristics are what that sets apart from daily rhythmic exercise. Now, whenever we are asked to exercise, we keep on giving certain reasons such as I don't want to exercise, I don't like to sweat, I don't like to, it looks silly, it hurts. Or the main reason is why exercise?
Do you know 13.5 million people have heart problems and 1.5 million people die with heart attack in a year, and 250,000 people have hip fractures in a year, and over 60 million people have are overweight, and over 50 million people have high blood pressure.
Not only that, child obesity has reached an epidemic level in the entire world. Most of the time is spent in eating and less on exercising. We are always sitting in front of the computers and on televisions and exercising less. So not only that, because of this, people are going under to many diseases such as type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and even through cardiovascular diseases.
How physical activity impacts health? It controls our weight, and it reduces the risk of cancers and makes us body. It doesn't give us stress and makes our body fit and strong.
Now, there are many diseases related to physical inactivity, such as the one is that type 2 diabetes, heart attacks, stress, obesity, then osteoporosis, and many other.
What can exercise do for you? It reduces the risk of cancer. It gives us good sleep and makes us concentrate in the class.
Now, the main disease that is related to physical inactivity is cardiovascular disease. Recently, in the American Institutional Health Center, wrote a fact that our stressed lifestyle is the main reason for cardiovascular disease. Not only that, exercise can even prevent blood pressure. Blood pressure over 140 or 90 is a risk factor for heart attack as well as strokes. Not even there's another disease that can be prevented, that is the blockage of the it's a blockage of the uterus. Veins. So this is usually because of the fat globules that are present in our body. When we burn them during exercise, it helps us and get rid of this problem.
Exercise and cancer. Exercise helps to prevent obesity, a major risk factor from several types of cancer. Exercise enhances immune function. Exercise actives enzymes that protect cells from free damage.
Now, exercise and diabetes. When we have diabetes, we are suggested to do exercise because it increases our glucose sensitivity. It maintains blood pressure. It reduces the body fat and lower body fat, as well as also reduces the factor of cardiovascular disease.
Exercise and depression. Exercise will make you depressed free when you are stressed of studies, and it gives you good sleep.
Now, the other one is that exercise also has impact on your mind. Basically, it has recently proven there are short-term benefits and long-term benefits. The short-term benefits are it also it boosts alertness, sparks creativity, and also improves our memory power. The long-term benefit is that as we grow old, we tend to forget things. When we exercise, it is said that thing of forgetting things will get it will be passed on for later years, such as 70 or 80 and above.
Sports for women's in developing countries. They give chance to girls same as boys in every sports. There is no differentiate between girls and boys in any sports. They give equal chance to both of them.
Exercise is for everyone. Some people think that exercise is not for us, it's only for the fat people. But it's not true. Exercise is for everyone. We have to spread awareness that exercise should be done by every single person since living. It is even a mall can provide you as for a proper walk. Even if you have yeah, okay, that's it. Now I know like most of you are thinking this thing is topic is role model and why we are talking about this thing, physical activity and exercise. But the thing is that we chose this topic so that we can spread awareness to our following friends that sports and exercise is really important in our daily lives. While most of us try and bunk sports and in our washrooms or stay anywhere else, it's important that we go and exercise so that it's good for our future health. Thank you.
Thank you, friends, for the information that you both have shared. Mothers are living gods in our lives.